Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best wall hanger is probably one of the most sought-after inventions for home decorators and renters who love to personalize their space with pictures and artwork but are hesitant to damage the walls. This simple tool provides a damage-free solution, allowing you to easily hang your cherished photos and artwork without the worry of holes, marks, or costly repairs. In this video, we will explore the best wall hangers available, comparing their features, ease of use, and overall effectiveness in creating a stunning and damage-free gallery wall. Number 5. EZlifego Nano Tape. It uses advanced nanotechnology and strong acrylic gel for incredible adhesion and durability. It's the perfect solution for all your DIY projects. No tools are needed. Its powerful bond instantly attaches objects to any surface. Simply cut it to size and stick it on. This heavy-duty tape works indoors or outdoors on smooth surfaces like walls, glass, and metal. It's truly versatile. Use it to mount pictures, decorations, or even repair items without nails or holes. The possibilities are endless. It's an essential for daily life, bringing convenience to millions. Experience the EZlifego difference. Remember to remove it slowly and carefully. Its strong viscosity might affect painted walls if removed too quickly. What we like? It boasts incredibly strong adhesion and is incredibly easy to apply, requiring no tools whatsoever. Its versatility makes it perfect for a wide range of surfaces and applications. If you need a strong, adaptable solution for various hanging needs, this is the one for you. What people say. This double-sided sticky tape is a game changer. It works great on a variety of surfaces, especially where regular tape or other products fail. I used it on slippery brick walls in my classroom and on the textured, popcorn ceilings in my basement to hang LED lights, and it stuck perfectly. Nothing else would work. It holds up better than command strips, and I don't have to worry about it falling off. The tape is strong, versatile, and easy to use. The EZlifego double-sided tape is a powerhouse of versatility and strength. This heavy-duty tape sticks securely to most surfaces, making it perfect for mounting pictures, posters, and even light decor. The nano-adhesive technology ensures a strong hold while remaining easy to remove without leaving sticky residue. At 9.85 feet long, there's plenty to work with, whether you're decorating, organizing, or fixing carpets. Its clear design keeps your projects neat and invisible, making it a go-to tool for home and office use. Strong adhesion securely holds a variety of items on smooth surfaces. Residue-free removal removes cleanly without damaging walls or surfaces. Multi-purpose, great for hanging decor, mounting photos, and securing carpets. Clear design blends seamlessly with decor for a tidy look. Generous length, 9.85 feet provides ample tape for multiple uses. Really easy to use, has made decorating for Christmas a lot easier. This tape works great and is so much more economical than buying more sticky tabs. I'm using it alone without hooks too. Number 4. Command Picture Hanging Strips. These versatile strips are perfect for hanging pictures and home decor. They're easy to use and won't damage your walls. This pack includes both 10-pound and 15-pound strips, giving you options for various picture sizes. You get a total of 28 pairs. They adhere to a wide range of smooth surfaces, including painted walls, wood, and more. It's so convenient. For best results, clean the surface with rubbing alcohol before applying. Ensure the temperature is between 50 degrees Fahrenheit and 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Wait a week after painting before use to allow the paint to cure properly. Avoid hanging over beds or wallpaper. Removing them is a breeze. Just slowly pull the strip straight down to prevent wall damage. No sticky residue left behind. These strips provide a damage-free way to hang your pictures. Redecorate and reorganize your space easily without tools or holes. What we like? This product offers a variety of sizes to suit different weights and picture sizes. It's designed for damage-free hanging and removal, making it ideal for renters or those who frequently redecorate. If you prioritize a no-mess, easy-to-use solution, this is your best bet. What people say. They work really well. I use them for hanging pictures, surge protectors, and a metal coat rack thing I got. They've been holding up for the last 5 months or so. These Velcro strips are definitely strong. The instructions said to attach it and then remove your picture, but sometimes it's hard to get the picture off because of the Velcro is so strong. These command strips are currently holding up multiple bulletin boards in my room, among other things. Some of which are metal. So in conclusion, they work great and are easy to use. Number 3. 3M Claw Drywall Hanger. Tired of struggling to hang heavy artwork? This innovative hanger makes it easy. It's the perfect solution for hanging mirrors, large art, and more. It's made of hardened steel and holds up to 45 pounds. You can confidently hang your heaviest pieces with peace of mind. Forget searching for studs. It locks securely into drywall anywhere, providing a hassle-free hanging experience. Just push it in, hang your item, and you're done. No anchors or special tools are needed. The included spot markers help you find the perfect spot for your decor, eliminating guesswork and ensuring a straight hang. It's reusable, so you can easily rearrange your decor whenever inspiration strikes. Perfect for homes and offices. What we like? With its impressive weight capacity and ability to hang heavy items without needing studs, it's a powerful solution for larger, heavier artwork. Plus, it's reusable, saving you money in the long run. If you have heavy pictures or mirrors to hang, this is the perfect choice. What people say. No fuss, no muss, no big nails hitting pipes or wires in the walls when hanging large or heavy pictures, and you can do this with your fingers, no hammer needed. These picture hangers were pretty easy to install. Once in the wall, they seemed very secure and I had confidence they would support the pictures. Number 2. Command Picture Hanging Kit. This kit makes hanging pictures a breeze. It's easy to use and leaves no damage behind. With various sized hooks and strips, you can display all your favorite photos and artwork. It's perfect for any room in your house. Say goodbye to holes and marks on your walls. It's the perfect solution for renters or anyone who wants to change their decor easily. Hanging your pictures is quick and simple. No need for hammers, nails, or any other tools. These strips are strong enough to hold a variety of items and work on many different surfaces. They're perfect for all your decorating needs. Redecorate whenever you like. It comes off cleanly, leaving no sticky residue behind. It's ideal for apartments, dorms, or any home. The reclosable case keeps everything organized and makes refilling easy. You'll always have what you need on hand. What we like? This kit provides a variety of hooks and strips to accommodate various picture sizes and hanging styles. It's damage-free and easy to use, making it perfect for those who want a complete, versatile hanging solution. If you need a comprehensive kit for all your picture hanging needs, this is the one. What people say. Holds pictures very well. Easy to use, easy to adjust when I change my mind. They're well worth the price and great for decorating without damaging your walls. Easy to remove as well, but follow the directions and pull the tape slowly. Number 1. Command 15 pounds Picture Hanging Strips. These strips are designed for hanging pictures and frames up to 24 by 36 inches. They're easy to use and won't damage your walls. Each package contains 20 pairs of strips, enough to hold a large frame. They can hold up to 16 pounds. They adhere to many smooth surfaces, including painted walls, wood, and glass. Make sure the surface is clean before applying. Clean the surface with rubbing alcohol to ensure a strong bond. The temperature should be between 50 degrees Fahrenheit and 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Wait a week after painting before use. Avoid hanging over beds or wallpaper. Don't use them for valuable items. Removing them is simple and clean. Just pull straight down to remove them without damaging your walls. These strips provide a damage-free way to hang your pictures. They remove cleanly, leaving no holes or sticky residue. What we like? It's designed for larger pictures, offering strong support without damaging your walls. The damage-free removal is a huge plus, allowing for easy redecoration. If you have large artwork and want a reliable, damage-free solution, this is for you. What people say. Do the job that you expect, no danger to the wall taking them off, so protect the wall as expected, easy to put on and take off, and thankfully don't take of paint, as long as you follow directions. Durable, discreet and easy to use. I have 4 11 by 11 picture frames and it's holding up well. These are good to prevent putting holes in your walls. They are sturdy and come off easily with no paint peeled off. I like them as the strips are quick to use and get anything up that I want. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.